box. It's a box. So you know how you have your Nintendo Switch, right? And you just like put it into here. You know this thing, right? You know it. Slide it into here, you slide it into there, and then you start playing your awesome Nintendo Switch games. So let's just say I got a Pro Controller, but it's not the Nintendo official one. It's a third-party one that only cost me about 30 bucks. Let's open this thing up. I'm waiting for this. Shipping on this was like really good for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, inside the box we got my favorite thing, these popping plastic bags. And inside the box again we have this thing. This looks very sketcy to me. They didn't send me a wrong thing or anything like that. Okay, opening it up. Now, what I saw from the box, it looked a lot like an Xbox One controller. Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! You can see through the plastic. That is awesome. It has motion. It also has well, it has motion controls. It has vibration. What I can see from here. It's USB. Well, it's USB type. Well, it's not USB Type C. It's micro USB. And then you have your on button. I'm guessing that's your capture button. And it just looks like an Xbox One controller. I'm guessing these are in the instructions right here. Right? Okay. Okay, here's some instructions right here. Okay, this is the second time I'm doing this, but I just want to give my thoughts on this controller right here. So I've had this for about like a month now, maybe. It's the end of the month, and I've really liked this controller so far. The D-pad doesn't like go in or anything, so it's not like very cheap. Sticks I kind of like, but they're not really that good. Well, they're like, I would like them to be a little bit down, a little bit farther. They feel kind of high to me, but that's how I like them. Buttons really big, that's good, for this controller. And some things that I didn't like is these triggers right here. This doesn't need to happen. See that right there? It doesn't need to go in all the way. They're not analog triggers. The Switch is not an analog system. It's more of a digital system where you just press and then it works. So having it go in all the way, it doesn't seem that well. Motion controls. Now this is something that I like. So when I'm like aiming in Zelda and I have like when I'm aiming in Zelda and try to get some like bokoblins or something, I use the motion controls a lot, and it actually works pretty well. And then also, look where they put this right here. That's the capture button. Now I can just like go like that on my controller. You see my finger move? I can go like that, and it's not gonna do anything. Well, it's not gonna. Well, it's like the best place for it. Then I don't have to go right here, move all my fingers around just to get to the capture button right here on the real controller. Okay, so this is not a like sturdy controller. So when you're like playing hardcore games and then you're like in the middle of the session and you grip really tightly, and then this, for some reason, this one actually creaks in your hands when you're in that hardcore session. I've had it I've had it do that to me a few times, and I was like, what's going on with my controller? Am I about to break it? So yeah, that's something to be aware of. And then the power buttons right here, I can just do the same thing. And then plus and minus right here, and then the home button right here. And yeah, one thing that I did not mention in the box, it does come with a cable. So yeah, that's always good for controllers to do that. And then another thing that I like about this controller is the part where you can hook it up to a PC and play with it. Now you need a USB for that because it doesn't support Bluetooth for some reason, but yeah, it does work. And one thing that I did not like about this controller, so you know how the vibration is, they have like low vibration and high vibration on the HD Rumble on the Nintendo Switch. Now this thing only gives one vibration, where it's just constant. And I bought this game a while back called Graceful Explosion Machine, and that thing uses HD Rumble to its best ability. I love that game, not because about the HD Rumble, but it's a good game just in general. Now when I play it with this controller, all I get is this constant rumble, and it's like so annoying that most of the time I can't even play the game with this. And I'm like, why are you like this? I wish there was a feature that I could turn the rumble off in like the settings of the Switch, but there isn't yet. So Nintendo, get on that with your third-party control, with your like manufacturers of third-party controllers. Otherwise, this is a great controller. I would recommend it to anyone that needs a good controller for the Nintendo Switch that doesn't cost that much. It's like half the price of the regular Pro controller nowadays. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye. Wait! There's more. Don't exit out of the video yet. So I'm here. This is going to be something new. We're going to do news at the end of the section. At this end of the section, news updates on this channel. So we're going to start something new in the summertime. I've already gone over this with my friends, and we're going to make stupid stuff that doesn't need to be made, but hey, it just sounds like great ideas. So we're making like an RGB backpack and some other things, and we're going to be recording it, putting it on this channel. Also, another thing, I made this up with a friend of mine. I don't even know if I'm going to do it or not, but a grief count, where we review animes that have a high death count in them. So yeah, I wonder how that's gonna go. I might not do it, but that might be a thing where in between reviews of online shopping review, where we're gonna do that and just put them in between there, so you guys can actually watch something. You don't have to watch it, but I'm just saying. Any other news? Not really. Oh, wait. There is news. Oh boy. So remember those 3 videos that I had from that update that I was doing a while back on the Amazon Fire Phone, Echo Dot, and some other things? Well, I don't know if I can do them anymore, but I will try to get to this because I've been wanting to do these 3 videos for a while now, and like the Echo Dot is going to take me longer than I thought because I want to add Philips Hue, because why buy an Echo Dot when you're supposed to get Philips Hue with it? And then the Fire Phone, this was supposed to be out like 3 months ago by now, but well, maybe in November. I don't even know when I was making this video, but this one has been taking me a while to do. And I really want to get this out, and just been waiting to get it out for you guys. But when I do, I will make it to the best of my ability to get this thing out. I'm trying my best here. I have to buy a $60 program because for some reason when I got my when I recorded my video, and this is why I haven't gotten it out for you guys. When I recorded my video for all of these like these old reviews, basically what happened to my recording was the audio cut out. So there's me footage doing it, but there's no audio. So I have to buy a program that actually worked. I actually tried it, it actually worked, and it basically told me, hey, you can't do this anymore, and now I have to pay $60 for that. So I'll do that, and do that like later on, and try to get these videos out for you guys. That might be the video for next month's, but yeah. Also, I'm going to try to do a schedule with these videos. So either like once a month we're going to do a video, and that will be great for me because hey, I'm still in school, and I still need to do stuff for that. I need to like get done with homework and stuff, and I don't have to worry about my YouTube channel that much doing so bad or anything like that. I can just check regularly, but I can like put out a video like once a month, and then don't worry about it for another month, and then yeah. So yeah, but I might not do that. I probably will, but may not. It depends, but it will be like once a month on a Sunday or Saturday, and yeah. So I think that's it on the updates, and bye.